back to my kitchen. So today we're making Thai chicken thighs, and it has a peanut sauce, a little bit of a spice because there's some red pepper flakes, and we made it in the Instapot. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and come along, let's get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need 5 to 6 pounds of bone-in thighs, a cup and a half of low sodium chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of freeze-dried cilantro. Soy sauce you're going to need about 3/4 of a cup. You can use low sodium if you like. Peanut butter, you're going to also need about 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. You'll need about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of cold water. Ground ginger, I use 3 teaspoons. Red pepper flakes, I like to use a teaspoon. You can use more or less depending on your taste. And lime juice, you're going to need about 4 tablespoons. You'll also need some chopped green onions for garnish. This is optional if you don't like green onions. And I'm also going to use this ground ginger paste. It's going to add a nice flavor. I use about a tablespoon. A cup and a half of chopped peanuts. Some salt and pepper to taste. And you can use 3 tablespoons of oil for sauteing. I'm using olive oil. You can also use canola oil. Let's get started. I'm warming up the Instapot by pushing the saute button, and it'll turn on. And while it's warming up, I'm going to get ready to prepare the chicken. Now it's time to prepare the chicken thighs. At this point, you trim off the excess fat and excess skin. If you don't like any skin at all, you can trim it off at this stage, and go ahead and go through each piece of chicken and do the same. My family likes the skin on, so we cook it because it does make a nice flavor in the sauce, but you choose it how your family likes it. So I put in my oil, I'm starting to brown my chicken. While I'm browning my chicken, I put the lid on and I'm going to prepare my lime juice. We're going to need about 4 tablespoons of lime juice. So I'm going to squeeze them into a bowl. I've got this cute lime press I found at the grocery store, and it works really well. I'm going to turn over my chicken, brown them on both sides, probably about 3 to 5 minutes, and go through both batches of my chicken. Now I'm going to prepare my sauce. I start out with the chicken broth, peanut butter, soy sauce, blend in the freeze-dried cilantro, 4 tablespoons lime juice, red pepper flakes, ground ginger, ginger paste. Now we're going to deglaze the pan and make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom because we don't want to burn air when we're cooking. So I put a splash of chicken broth, stir it around. Now I'm going to turn off my Instapot, put in my chicken pieces. And because I have, I think, 6 of them, they're going to be in 2 layers. So I just stack them up in the pot like this. Now we take the peanut sauce we made earlier and pour it over the chicken. Close our Instapot, make sure the lid is on tight. And we're going to put it on manual. So I hit cancel, pressure cook, and I'm going to do it for 12 minutes. Secure the lid, put on the vent, make sure it's to ceiling so it can build pressure. Once it's done, do a quick release. Be careful not to burn yourself. I usually use a spoon, but in this case I used my fingers. Now I'm just waiting to see the pin go down so it will release the lid and I can open up the pot. Now I'm going to remove the chicken and finish my sauce. I take my cornstarch slurry and I'm going to simmer it until it's the right thickness and consistency. And there you have it, Thai chicken thighs in the Instapot. If you liked my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be informed when my next weekly video is available. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.